Welcome to the assembly video for your Broil King gas grill. Please use this video as a companion to your assembly manual. Before starting, unpack all of the components of your barbecue grill and lay them out in your workspace. Use a pan or bowl to hold the contents of the hardware bag. You will need the following tools to assemble your Broil King gas grill: a number 2 Robertson or Phillips screwdriver. Step 1. Carefully flip the base of the cook box and unclip the 4 legs. Insert the plastic plugs into the end of each leg. Insert the legs into the bottom of the chassis. Now align the locking leg clip with the holes on each corner of the chassis. Step 2. Install the valve assembly and secure using the 2 screws provided. Step 3. Install the battery with the positive terminal up and secure the igniter cap to the igniter. Install the control knob with the indicator in the 12 o'clock off position. Step 4. Insert the burner and igniter wire through the respective openings in the cook box. Install the retaining spring over the end of the valve assembly. Secure the burner and spring onto the valve assembly. Then seat the opposite end of the burner into the specified holes. Step 5. Attach the electrode from the burner body to the igniter. Step 6. Attach the lid handle using the 2 bolts provided. Step 7. Install the lid onto the casting by setting the top casting into the openings at the rear of the bottom casting. Step 8. Install the flavor wave, cooking grid, and warming rack to complete the cooking system. Step 9. Attach the side shelves by placing the shelf hooks into the openings of the chassis at a 45-degree angle and lowering into a flat position. Step 10. Install the lid pins into the chassis. Insert the tab into the slot in the chassis, turn 90 degrees, and drop into place. The pins insert into the body of the chassis when not in use. Step 11. Install the tank retainer bracket into the holes on the legs. Carefully place the propane tank inside the tank retainer bracket and attach the regulator hose to your tank. Now is a good time to look over your barbecue grill, ensuring that everything is secure and in place. From there, light your grill and leave it on medium-high for at least 20 minutes to burn off any residue during the manufacturing process. To season your cast iron grits, preheat your grill to 400 degrees, then turn your burners off. Now coat with cooking oil using a basting brush or an oil mister. Then you're ready to grill. Transport and storage. Begin by removing the shelves and inserting the lid pins into the side of the lid to lock it in place. Remove the legs from the body by depressing the leg clip and pulling down. Store the legs on the retainer tabs on the underside of the chassis. For best clearance, place the leg caps on the opposite side from the valve assembly. Clip the side shelves neatly on top of the stored legs. Once everything is packed and in place, you're ready to go. Now is a good time to register your barbecue grill. Please visit RoyalKingBBQ.com today and click on the link. It's quick and easy. We'll provide you with the very best in customer support, recipe ideas, informative videos, grilling tips, and much more.